This is all if the governor and the Department of Education and
This is a coordinated monthly test of the Kentucky Emergency Alert System. In cooperation with federal, state, and local officials, broadcasters are testing equipment to ensure that you may be quickly warned in the event of an emergency. This has been a required monthly test of the EAS network.
media sites. It'll be
I guess it's the right to do that. I don't believe that you were injured. I just want you to know that.
Judge Judy continues in a moment. Closed captioning sponsored by. If you're suffering from muscle cramps or muscle spasms,
authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Kentucky beginning at 3:50 p.m. and ending at 4:05 p.m.
in stores everywhere.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the Kentucky Emergency Alert System. In cooperation with federal, state, and local officials, broadcasters are testing equipment to ensure that you may be quickly warned in the event of an emergency. This is the required monthly test of the EAS network. No action is needed. This is only a test.
It's in the small, everyday moments, and in the places you never expect. A little sign of hope.